Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I found this tumbling tower game in the Dollar Tree and I decided to just create some mini house charms. They're super cute and they're not that hard to make, so I'm going to show you how to do that today. So I did a quick measurement of how big I wanted the house to be, and I did use my handsaw to completely cut down the wood. Once the wood is completely cut down, I just sand it off with a fine grit sandpaper. For the roof, I just drew a 45-degree angle. Now it doesn't have to be perfect. You could also use the base of the house to give you a guide of how much you want to cut and where you want to cut. Now I'm going to use scrapbook paper to cover the wooden block. I'm going to also use school glue. But first I'm going to shape the paper, just wrap it around the block before I glue it down. And then I'm just going to cut it off to size. I'm inking the edges with the Tim Holtz Distress ink. The color is tea dye. The roof can be a little tricky, but all you need to do is shape that paper around the roof. You can pinch the edges and add the glue and just cut around and continue to glue around and cut the excess just piece by piece. Now to make it a charm, I'm going to add a eye screw pin. To glue the house together, I'm using super tight white school glue. I do have a coupon code in my description box below, so check that out. It is a 15% coupon code on all super tight glues. For the door, I did end up using a Tim Holtz Village House die that I had on hand, and I'm just going to ink the edges and glue it, but you could freehand a door and just cut it out and glue it as well. So I absolutely love the way these mini house charms came out. They're so adorable. The different colors of scrapbook paper definitely do add character to the houses, as well as the inking. I think the inking does also a great job. Now, I do have kits available in my Etsy shop. I'm going to put a few out there and see how it goes. The kits are going to be just the bare wood, the eye screws, and the moss. The paper will not be included, but this is a great opportunity for you to make your own, especially if you don't want to cut down wood. So I'm going to see how that goes, so you can check out my Etsy shop. I'm going to leave the link right above. And I hope you enjoyed this DIY. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. It was really fun to make these. So tell me what you think. I would like for you to please comment below and give this video a like. You could also follow me on Instagram or Facebook. Until next DIY, and God bless.